Hey, and welcome back to 1 Minute Excel. Tonight we're going to look at an index match formula. Make sure you're familiar with the regular index match ahead of time. You might want to watch that video before we dive into this one tonight. If you are familiar with it, then the only difference is that when we get to the column count in the index formula, index match, we're now going to use another match to pull the column. So instead of, let's say we wanted the data 2 columns over, we'd say comma 2, or we'd say comma 3 all the way out. If we wanted to go 50 columns out, we don't really want to have to write it out every time. It's very cumbersome, and there's got to be a better way, and in this case there is. So running through a quick example here, we're going to say equals index, open parentheses, select the range for the index. We can lock it with F4, hitting it once, comma, and we're going to type the first match, and in this case we're going to match the score. Select the cell, hit F4 3 times, that'll lock the column. And in the data here, we know it's going to be under the score range. So select that range, hit F4. Now hit comma, and we're going to do 0 for an exact match. Close out that formula. Now, in this case, for the column, we're actually going to do a second match. So type in match, open parentheses. And in this case, we're going to select student in the row here for the header. Go ahead and hit F4 twice. That'll lock the row, so it'll move. It won't move down, but it will allow us to move over. Hit comma, and now in the row header in the data above, select that range. Hit F4 once to lock it. Now we're going to say comma. We're going to say 0, an exact match, and close out parentheses and hit enter. And there you can see Chuck is the student. Let's go ahead and copy it over for symbols as well. And that is your index match formula.